భాష మలయాళమును తిరువనంతపురం కేరళ పిండి తలస్థానమాను. Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Sister. I am studying 4th standard. Today I am going to tell about speech in Manipur. I am Prasanna Venkata Sindhu, born on July 5th.
హాయ్ చెప్పండి. ఏంటి మీరు దేని గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు?
Malabar Coast, and this is Malabar Coast. Malabar Coast is located in the southern part of Indian west coast, and it is known for its lagoons, backwaters, etc. And it is known for its moist forest, and it is a home for animals. Eastern coastal plains is between the Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal, wider and smoother, known for fertile detail formed by rivers, include the Chilkat Lake and Pulicat Lake. Division pass Andhra Coast, Utkal Coast. Thank you. Western coastal plains between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea, narrow, known for the lagoons, backwater, and heavy rainfalls during the monsoon seasons. Thank you.
Hello.
Hi. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Samanvi. I am from 5th class. My project is Bud Sanctuary. This is Crimson Rosella. This is Scarlet Macaw. This is common kingfisher. This is mandarin duck. This is lilac breasted roller. This is pea fawn. This is lilac. This one is sun conure. That one is painted bunting. This one is ducks. This one is hen. This one is duck. This one is mandarin duck. Thank you. మన ఊరిలో ఎన్ని మార్పులు ఉన్నాయో మేము ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో చూపించడానికి ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేసాము. మనం అప్పట్లో ఎడ్ల బండ్ల మీద ప్రయాణించే వాళ్ళం, కానీ ఇప్పుడు బైక్స్ రావడం వలన వెహికల్స్ ద్వారా వెహికల్స్ ప్రయాణం చేయడం వలన మనకు ఎన్నో స్మోక్ పొల్యూషన్, ఎయిర్ పొల్యూషన్, సౌండ్ పొల్యూషన్ అని ఎన్నో రకాల పొల్యూషన్స్ అవుతున్నాయి. కాబట్టి మనం అప్పటి సాంప్రదాయాలనే పాటించాలని మేము కోరుకుంటూ ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ని చేశాము. థ్యాంక్ యూ. Good afternoon to all. We are from 9th standard. This is our project. The project name is Women Empowerment. Women empowerment is crucial for achieving global gender equality and accelerating economic growth and also sustainable development. By providing women equal access to education and financial independence and decision-making role, society can reduce poverty and also improve community health and decrease the gender-based violence. Example: Draupadi Murmu. Draupadi Murmu is the 15th President of India. Is widely recognized for her extraordinary journey from a remote, and she is a role model for us. as well as Wing Commander Yomika Singh. She is an Indian Air Force IAF, and in 2025, Wing Commander Yomika Singh became a national face of Nari Shakti women power. In Operation Sindoor, she did a main role, as well as Sofia Qureshi. She is also participated in Operation Sindoor and did a main role. Women empowerment is the process of providing women with the autonomy, resources, skills.
హలో సహస్ర.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Sahasri. I am from 7th class. Today's my project is Kaveri River. Kaveri River starts from Talakaveri in the western Ghats of Karnataka and ends in Tamil Nadu. This is the Brahmagiri Hills belongs to Kaveri River. This is the Amaravati Temple Amaralingeshwara Swami, dedicated to Lord Shiva. Sri Ranganatha Swami Temple in Srirangam at Tamil Nadu, dedicated to Lord Shiva, Lord Vishnu. KRS Dam is known as Krishnaraja Sagar Dam. This is the Metturu Dam. Metturu Dam and KRS Dam are the major dams of Kaveri River. These are Noyal and Bhavani are the major places of Kaveri River. Thank you. Good morning everyone, my name is Adya. I am from 5th class. Today's project is land farms. My plant is a working, I work it is a plain island, it is a called by plantum. Forest, land with many trees and plants, it's called a forest island. Island is a many processes of, island is water formed by water, and valley is a area between two hills, it's called a valley. Thank you.
పులికట్ లేక. హాయ్.
Hi. Pulicat Lake is India's second largest water lagoon, and it is holds over 200 species of birds, including massive migratory of flamingos and other birds. It is called as a eco-tourism and bird sanctuary. Pulicat Lake is separated from Bay of Bengal. Pulicat Lake water is salt water. Pulicat Lake is situated about 84% of water in Andhra Pradesh Tirupati district and in Tamil Nadu 16% of water. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Bharatanatyam is a classical dance. It is from India. It is started state is Tamil Nadu. Bharatanatyam is the oldest dance forms in India. It is first performed in temples. Dancers use hand gestures called mudras. They also use physical expressions to show feelings. The dance tells stories from Hindu mythology. The costumes is colorful and traditional. Music and dance, very important part for dance. Bharatanatyam is a very classical dance. It is famous in world. Thank you. My name is A. Vaibhavi. I am from 7th standard. Today we are presenting the project of national birds. Peacock, the Indian peacock declared national bird in 1963. It represents the India's great culture, biography, and it symbolizes the beauty, pride, and grace. Blue crane. The blue crane is South Africa's elegant. It is light blue-grey national bird. It is standing about 1 meter tall with mostly available in South Africa's grasslands and Karoo. Kiwi. The kiwi bird is a small bird native to New Zealand and acts like its national icon. Thank you.
మెట్రో స్టేషనా?
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Shivani. I am from 9th Indian Krishna Talent School. Today we are celebrating Science Day. Incredible India. My project name is Metro Station. Metro trains are a modern high capacity public transportation system designed to move large number of people within cities and their suburban areas quickly and efficiently, which separate them from road transport, ensuring the speed and reliability. And the uses of metro trains are mass transportation designed to carry thousands of passengers quickly and easily per hours. During peak hours it can Nidra Gautam Baya పేర్లు రవి కళ్యాణి దేశ్య రితిక సాత్విక నామ దేశ్య కుటుంబాయ Sixth class. Today our project name is Tirupati Temple. Tirupati Balaji Temple is also known as Sri Venkateshwara Temple. It is the second richest temple in the world. This is Visukatika. The project name is Vedic Civilization. Vedic Civilization has 4 types that are Rigveda, Samaveda, Yajurveda, Atharvaveda. That are Gurukul. The Gurukul system is an ancient Indian residential and holistic education where students Shishyas lead with the teachers Guru to learn about life skills, art and science. This is about of Gurukul. Now I tell you about caste system. The 4 caste system or Varna system is an ancient Indian social structure dividing into society into Brahmins, priests are teachers, and Kshatriyas, Varyas are rulers, Vaishyas, traders are farmers, and Shudras laborers. This is a yagna place in those time. These are instruments of in this time. Veena. The Veena is an ancient Indian string instrument regarded as instrument of goddess Saraswati, representing wisdom and art and supreme knowledge. Now I tell about Tabla. The Tabla is a popular pair of North Indian dance that is Bayan and Kayan, is used to classical and devotional and popular music. Thank you. culture. It gives establishing to the roots of the Hinduism and literature. These four Vedas give corporation in Sanskrit. Thank you.
నువ్వు యాక్షన్ చెయ్యి రాకుండా యాక్షన్ చెయ్యి యాక్షన్ చెయ్యి
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. My name is Savika. I'm studying UKG. Take Krishna in the Salad School. I am a watermelon. I am big going outside. I am big outside. Then inside. I move inside. I dance very sweet. People like it. People like it. Miss Amma, thank you. study in 7th class. Today about Charminar. Charminar is built in 1591 by Muhammad Shali.
This is Chandra. In this a part of this project, I am going to explain about satellite. Satellite is a man-made object that